All right. None of this is for you. No, sir. None of this is for you.
Asked my husband to pick up a pizza on the way home today because we had chicken legs in the fridge, but I didn't feel like making them tonight.
Yoki hokey spooky.
So I made a pizza instead. This is actually one of my favorite ways to eat pizza, and I will openly admit that I probably have a significantly unhealthy love affair with green olives, as you will soon see. That was a little over half the jar. I liked it better when these pizzas came in boxes because then I didn't have to use my cutting board to put it on when I was creating the pizza. And this is one of the first things I do anytime that we get a store-bought pizza because it never seems to have the meat separated out the way it should be. I rearrange the meat on top of the pizza so that it's more evenly distributed. And of course, Baby Bear can smell the meat.
Oh, goodness.
This little mini chopper is one of my favorite kitchen appliances. My husband doesn't like green olives nearly as much as I do. So it becomes really obvious here which half of the pizza is mine and which half of the pizza is his.
Pink, pink. Meow. Meow. Pinka, inka, dinka. Yes, you are.
And then I add some extra bits to the pizza. And this is one of my favorite seasonings. It really is a delicious blend for a pizza. And if you sprinkle your seasonings from a higher point, you get better coverage because it spreads out as it falls. I'll use this oil soon. I was just showing off the spray bottle. This pan's been in the oven for quite some time, fully preheated, and it's a lot of oil. But I really don't want the pizza to stick to the pan. And then it's just a matter of sliding it off the cardboard onto the pan, sticking it back in the oven. Now we do 27 minutes. And it's easier to clean the oil off the oven because there's always overspray if it's cleaned off immediately. So that's what I'm doing here. The first clean is with a paper towel and it's not very good. And then I use one of these little towels. It's not microfiber. I don't know what this towel is made out of, but it's a great cleansing cloth. And I use them repeatedly because they just go through the wash really well. And this little bar that you put towels on is a great place to hang the soap for the stove because it keeps it right there, right for you. And of course, sharp things go in the basket beside the sink, not in the sink. If you're one of the people who washes your dishes immediately, yay, we're not. So I leave the cardboard on the cutting board so I know which side had the raw pizza, so I can flip it over so the clean side is now the one that receives the pizza. And we like our pizza pretty well cooked. If you don't like it cooked this much, don't cook it this long. And this little round-handled pizza cutter is amazing. The video is not sponsored by anybody. I'm just pointing out things I like. This is my favorite plate. Those are my husband's pizzas. This one's mine, because my pizza goes on my favorite plate. More garlic, and enjoy.
Really?